I am so excited to be sharing this with you guys, but Canva has now added background erasing to one of the many tools that it already provides. Now, you do have to have a paid plan in order to get this, but I think it makes it so much worth it, especially if you're someone like me where you make a lot of banners and do a lot of things as far as like graphic design. This just makes it so much faster and so much easier. So all you do is you upload a picture, put it in Canva, and then you're going to press the effects button. Once you click on that image, the effects tabs and everything else should pop up as well. It's going to be the first image that you see. It should say something like background. You click that and it literally does all of the work for you. One thing that I have noticed is that if the color of the background and the image that you're trying to erase are too similar, sometimes that causes it to not be so clean as far as the eraser tool. The first two images erased easily, but the third image was the one that was a little bit harder, I guess, for Canva to notice the difference. And then the last one, it erased beautifully. So just a caution, if you have too similar of a background in relation to the image that you're trying to erase or cut, that might happen. But other than that, it works beautifully. Before this, I was using Photoshop. I was also using some apps on my phone that were so time consuming. All I have to do here is just click and it does it for me, which I am so excited about. So I just wanted to let you guys know, if you haven't been using Canva or maybe you're not quite sure about it, if you're someone where this is important to you, I think it is well worth the amount. If you guys didn't know, I have a free resource library where I share a lot of my templates and exclusive tutorials for y'all to use. It's basically what I put on YouTube, but way more detailed. It's completely free and updated monthly based on your suggestions. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out.